I'm trying so hard not to touch my face. I don't like touching my face. Okay, ooh, I had to get a piece of hair out of my face. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing. I haven't done one of these on my channel. So I will be unboxing two different bags, glam bags, from two different subscriptions that I'm subscribed to. These are like beauty bags and you receive them monthly. As you can tell, I did my makeup, so I do want to put this out there. I ended up looking at what I received when it came in. I do want to put this out there. I have on the items that were sent. Only a few though, but most of them I am wearing. So what I am wearing, I will show you guys in this video, but this is the look that I came up with. Yeah, if you guys want to see what I got this month's glam bag, then just keep watching. I do want to start with IPSY. So we are doing a comparison between the two bags, just to see whose was better. So we are going to start with IPSY. So this is what came in the mail. Excuse my nail again. So it came in a package like this one, and it says IPSY on the back, and let's just open it. Okay, so the first thing that I do see is two different face masks, and this is how it came in the bag. So there is a lemongrass and green tea sheet mask for hydrating and toning. It's a 20-minute facial therapy mask, tea infused, and it's made in Korea. And there is a hibiscus and acai berry tea mask for hydrating and toning also, and it's a 20-minute mask, and pretty much the same thing, just I guess different types. So that's what that looks like. I haven't tried them, but I did see them already, and I do want to give them a go, so we'll see. And then this is the March bag. This is what it looks like, and it's cute. It's adorable. There's studs all over. It says IPSY on the back. There's a zip, so let's just get right into it. Let's see. There is a pamphlet that they provide you with, and then let's see, this is a scone brown brow wand that I did use on my brows, and I do want to put this out there. I did like it. So this is what it looks like. So it's like angled like that, and it's in the color chocolate or shade chocolate, and then on the other side there's a brush. Brow wand is, it looks like it's $22 at Walmart and $22 on their website. Like I said, I ended up using it on my brows, so I think I'm actually gonna keep this. I really do like it. So next item was this Glow 2 highlight. It's a powder highlighter from, I can't pronounce this, so if one of you can. There's, wow, that is surprising. Okay, so at Sephora, this little guy here was $32. And this is what it looks like. So it comes in this little plastic container, and it is a really pretty shade. I do have it on. I don't know if you guys can tell. So I do like this. There was something I did like about this, and I did not know it was from Sephora. I'm gonna just swatch it on my hand so you guys can see, but it's right there. It's actually really, really pretty. So I do like it, and it looks like it is $32 at Sephora. So that's awesome. The next thing I got was this Pixie H2O Skin Drink Hydrating Gel, and this looks like it's like a travel size. A intense moisture gel instantly rehydrates dry skin, and so basically it's just like almost like a moisturizer. So if you get dry in like the summertime, I guess this is something you can use. And so this you can get out Target. So this is $22 for the big one. The next thing that I got is this Firma concealer brush in the number 203, and that's what it looks like. And I ended up using this today also to blend out underneath my eyes, and I do like this. It blended out really nicely, so I was impressed, and this is something that I'm definitely probably going to keep and use over and over again. So I did like this. I just want to see how much this was. I didn't see prices for anything because I just didn't look it up, but some things I did, some things I didn't. It looks like it's $12.99, so for that brush on their website, so that's awesome. And the last thing is this Girl Addict, whatever, I think I'm saying that wrong, Black Noir precise eyeliner marker, and it looks like this. And I did not use this, so, but it has a really fine point, and I barely even did anything, so this is really nice. I don't use eyeliner really, so like on the top, like on my lids and stuff, so I don't know that I'm going to really use this, but I don't know, I guess we'll see. So that completes that bag. Would I say that this is worth it? I think it's pretty worth it for $12.99-ish a month. They give you like sample sizes, so just so you guys know, they are more of like a sample, so, and also you get what you pay for, but I think they have some good products in here for anyone who is like younger. I think you'll enjoy this. So yeah, let's move on to this one. So in this box, this is the BOXYCHARM monthly subscription box for $24.99 a month. So this is what I ended up getting for the first month. So this is what I got for March 2020. So let's just open it up. This is how it actually came, and I think this is super cute. And then you open it like this, and this is the box, and it says BOXYCHARM, and this is what is in here. So that is what that looks like. So let's just get right into it. First thing that I have, and I did try this out. So you can get this at Sephora, and I think from what I remember, I think it was like 40 bucks. This is the Shaw 7, I think that's the brand, Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, and the description says, dive into hydration, help to soothe dry skin while revealing radiance. And you just place moisturizer into the palm of your hand using 4 fingers, apply an outward circular motion, tapping the moisturizer into the skin. So I did not do that because I didn't know there were special instructions really. So I just put it on like I would my other moisturizer. This, I do want to let you guys know, I was not a huge fan of it. I'm going to tell you why. I was applying my makeup, and I purposely did not put on primer after putting this on as like my moisturizer for the day. I purposely did not put on my primer because I wanted to see how my makeup sits with this, because sometimes I don't wear primer. And so I put this on and my foundation over it. So before I applied my foundation, I was kind of looking at it like, let's see, you know, if I notice anything. So it is in gel form, and I do want to put this out there. This is a water cream. I don't know why it was so sticky. It was very sticky. It felt like my hands were getting stuck to my face, and I did not appreciate that. So I ended up putting on my foundation, and I noticed, especially on my nose, that the product was coming off. It's like it wasn't sticking. It's like the product was sticking onto my brush, and it does not do that. So I just found that to be really weird. So I ended up just, I don't know if you guys can tell, but like right here, that's where it was coming off. So I don't really care for this, honestly. I just don't. So, but I'll show you guys still what it looks like. So you open it up, and this is what it looks like. cute packaging. And then you open it and take off the little lid thing right here. And then that is the product right in there. It is just clear gel form. There is no scent. So if you're someone who does not like scent, this just does not have any at all. So this would be good for you. But like I said, I just did not appreciate this. The reviews on this product is, hold on one second. Wow. So I guess the reviews on it are pretty good. So it's good for normal, oily, combination, dry, sensitive skin. It is an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moistures while protecting skin from free okay solutions for dryness, dullness, and uneven texture and pores. It is formulated without paraben sulfate. It's claiming to be like one of the clean products at Sephora. Okay, so sticky and tacky, that was my issue. Received as a part of the everyday glow from Saturday Skin. I'm never one to waste products, but this goes in the trash. It's sticky and tacky, and I never felt anything like it. Can't even use it on my neck because my skin is sticking together every time I look down. That's literally the same problem I had. It was just weird. Someone said loss of hydration, but tacky. Skin felt very hydrated. It gave my skin a plump bounce and was very dewiness. However, I had to wait a while for the product to dry, and when it did, it was pretty sticky and tacky. So that's the same thing I had. I guess I just didn't like the sticky tacky. Another thing that I have on my face that came in, oh my goodness, that came in the box is this eyeshadow palette. These are the colors, and I think you can tell which ones I've used. So I went into Sneak Peek. I've used this one. I've used Premium. I've used Spoiler, Luxe, and Cup of Joe, and I came up with this look. And I guess I didn't really swatch any other ones, so I do want to swatch them for you guys. So this one is Swipe Up. That's what that looks like. And then Full Size looks like that. And I will say that these are pretty nice. So that's just one little swipe. So they are pretty nice. I just don't use all of these colors. I think I already told you guys these colors don't look good on me, but I really wanted to create a makeup look for you guys. So this is what I came up with. I hope you guys like it. So it's like a orangey gold type look. I'm looking in the mirror right here. So that's what I came up with. It's kind of like a sunset type of look. So if you guys like this makeup look, let me know in the comments below. I will recreate it. But I was a little hesitant to get into this just because I was like, I started with Premium, which is this one here. I was like, oh my god, that's yellow. What am I gonna do? And then I go into Spoiler because I really wanted a transition color, which I did not see that in here. And then I went into Spoiler and I was like, oh my god, it's orange. What do I do? And so I put Sneak Peek on my lid, mixed with Luxe. I went ahead and put that all over my lid and blended it out. And then I put Cup of Joe in the corners, and I darkened it up a little bit. So if you guys want a makeup tutorial, please like this video. I will do a makeup tutorial on this look. And I don't know, I just might go into the other ones. We'll see. We'll see. Colors are pretty and they aren't cheap, I guess is the easiest way I can say it. So they are really pretty. The only thing is for someone who doesn't use a lot of color, which is my fault, not theirs, I won't be using this as much. But yeah, thing that I have here, and I haven't used this, but I do want to use this for you guys so I can give you guys a full review. It is this Project Beauty Hair Girt Almond Honey Hair Mask. So that's what it looks like. Repair damaged, frail, and brittle hair. It's like they knew I had that problem. So I really want to try this out for you guys. I will test this out and let you guys know in another video. I will give you guys a full review on this for those of you who suffer with dry hair like me, because I just can't decide what color I want to be anymore. The next thing I have on my lips is this lip gloss here, and this is just a clear gloss, and this is by Vintage Jessica Lipskind, I don't know how to say her last name, a clear gloss. And this is what it looks like. The old school, did you guys see that? I remember these little brush applicators when I was in school, and yeah, it's back memories for me. But it's in this cute little color, so I do like this. So I will be keeping this. The next thing I have, and I did not use because I saw the color and I was not going to use this. It's the Kat Von D Metal Crush Liquid Highlighter, and in the color Rose Shock. This is what it looks like. And when I saw this, because I love Kat Von D, I was so excited. Looks like that. It's cute packaging. And then this is the highlight. Now this just may go for someone who likes this. I, however, prefer not to highlight with pink. So that is why I will not be using it. So I might just give this away also, but that is the color of it. I really wish you guys can see. That is the color right there of it. And I don't care for this on here. So, I mean, I will see if I can make this into like a cute little eyeshadow look, but I'm not putting that as a highlight on. This was really shocking for me to see. Subscriptions do not do this. So I was a little shocked to see, and I haven't opened it and I have not used this, but I want to. So this is the Sutra Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron with Cool Tip. And this is what it looks like. And I do want to try it out for you guys, so I probably will be making a video using this. So this is just adorable. This is what it looks like. So it's a cute little wand, and it looks like settings. So it's just on or off. And it's, like I said, it's small. So I will be testing this out for you guys in another video. So, but I think it's really nice of them. For the most part, I was surprised to see how well these two bags did. Hang on. Give like an overall review on these two bags. I am going to be completely honest. Canceled my subscription with IPSY, and I kept the BOXYCHARM subscription, monthly subscription. So I will be doing them monthly. I actually asked around to ask people if they've ever, or if they get these subscriptions and which one they like best, and they always said BOXYCHARM. So I will just be keeping BOXYCHARM as my monthly subscription, beauty subscription. And I will be making these videos monthly for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.